So welcome back to the stream. So is my voice is audible? My voice is audible. Uh, Today's target is to solve this problem. After that, maybe we will learn some. I will learn some basics, and I forgot to update that graph. Means thumbnail, something else. Okay, I can't spell it properly. So actually today, please do not give hard question. Okay, easy one. Okay, okay. We can probably solve it within 8, 7, 15 like that. So after that, we will try to complete our syllabus. Monday onwards exam. So first exam was mathematics. So that's why we will try to solve it. Is my voice is audible? One second. Let's see. Yep, working properly. So, but I did not updated that thing. Thumbnail, something. Okay. So so first, we will try to solve this problem as soon as possible. So after that, we will go to complete our syllabus, try to complete our syllabus, C and Python. Wait, I have to grab my pen. Yeah, straight. Okay. So what is the problem? Hmm. Shortest distance to the target string in a circular array. Okay. Maybe this code, this problem will be in a maze, means in a circular. So that's why they mentioned maybe. Okay. Strike the key points. You are given a zero index circular string array words and a string target. The circular array means that arrays and connects to the arrays beginning. Yes, it's kind of circle thing which connects end of the thing will connect to beginning of the array. It is not called as a thing, it is called as an array. So formally, the next element word I is word I plus one percentage and so it is a formula we have to use. And the previous element of word I is words I minus one plus n percentage n, where n is the length of words. So in this statement, n is the length of the words. So they only mentioned n, they did not mention I. Okay. Hmm. Starting from the start index, okay, you can move either the next word of the previous word with one step at a time. So they gave a strict condition that we have to move only one word at a time only. After that, what it will do? What it will do? Why we did want? So okay. So after that, it returns the shortest distance needed to the string target. Hmm. So the target should be there. Maxima does not exist in words and returns to the minus one. Okay. So the words hello, I am lead code. Hello. Target is hello. Starting index is one. Yeah. So with 3 units, 2 units, 4 units. So A, B, lead code, target equals to lead code, starting index is 0, output is 1. So what are the topics? Mid-level array string, okay. I know about array and string. And what about mid-level? So what is the hint number one? You have two options, either move left or straight to the right. Wait, what? You have two options, either move straight to the left or move straight to the right. Means going like this and going like this. Only these three. Straight and left, straight and right. Okay. What is the hint number two? Find the first target word and the record. Find the first target word and record the distance. Hmm. First targeted word as per the input, I think so. Input and out. Input, not output. Output is depends upon the input most. Okay. And what is the third hint? Choose the one of choose one choose the one with the minimum distance. Okay, we have to choose only the shortest distance. So we will not get any error. Okay. What about solutions? Explanation. So approaching a circular array, we can reach at any position by moving forward or backward from the start index. Instead of scanning the whole array and computing the distance afterward, we can expand outward from center. Start center by step. When either side matches the target, number of I steps is automatically the shortest distance. Okay, A, B, C. Okay. The target is here and the target is here. Hmm. Time complexity is basically both are easy. And the code is very short. First, you mentioned SPC and SNOWs. We will try to solve this code in a different way. In the both the forward and backward paths of matching for a target index type. A forward distance is simply absolute difference in S. I can't understand this easy question, but why? So first we have to define a wait. You are given a zero index circular string array words and a string target. A circular array means that the array ends connects to the array's beginning. Formally, the next element word I is word I plus one. A circular array means that is a formula. We can use absolute value also to solve this problem. Like you can zero index circular means. I understand the code, but I can't understand the question and how can I approach at starting point? So previously I said no. If I read a question, I can't understand where from at which point I should start. That one I'm getting. I can first now mention the length of the word. So after that we mention the float with infinite loop and uses for loop for these words as an environment. If target and word is equals, we use a distance formula like I minus right. This is a particular formula. If the both formulas written and distance is equal, means equals to those minimum values and absolute values. So we can return the minus one. If the answer is wrong, so it will be nothing like that. So let's start the code. But still, I am we were given a zero index circular string array words and a string target. A circular array means that the array end connects to the beginning. Yes. And directly approach by not using the nodes. So that's why I got 5 on 5 shortest distance. So zero index circular string array. Zero index CARCULAR string array and a string array. A circular array means that the array and connects to the array beginning. So it will run like a loop. Okay. So understand. So after that, formally the next element of the word I is word I plus 1% and then the previous element of word I is word I minus 1 plus n% n. Okay. So it should be written to the minus value. So first we assign the length. Wait. We consider as n because n is the length of the words. No, so n is equals to w equals to single equals to length of WORDS words. So after that, uh, we assign the words. So after that, we give float value as infinite. So after that, we use this for loop for I, WO, and word, then the environment words. So if there is any kind of array which in the as per the input and output, if they give any kind of words based on the output or input, we use environment. It's my thing. We and you can be hardware environment WORDS words and close it. So after that, we the word and the target. They mentioned in the solution that the word and the target should be equal now. So starting at here, and the target is 4, and the second target is wait. Again, I got stuck in a circular array. We can reach. any position by moving forward or backward from the start index. Instead of scanning the whole array and computing distances after, we can expand outward from the center, start index step by step. So what it's telling me means it should scan the entire array in the computing distance after we expand outward of the center, means moving this after the center. Am I right? In circular array, we can reach any position by moving forward or backward to start. Instead of scanning the whole array and computing distance of the whole, we can expand it. Instead of scanning the entire thing and moving exactly, it will go expand outward from the center by step. So it can move either this way or this way. So as per the target. So if the target is based on G, it will go to, they did not mention the shortest distance. Like in engineering, there is a subject, engineering, there is so concept called tautology. We have to choose the shortest distance part. So that like that, they did not mention those things like using shortest distance. So maybe it will go to, I think so, maximum to, as per the time complexity and the space complexity, it will maybe go to the target as 4 only. So from the center of step by step, when either side matches target, the number of I steps is automatically shortest distance. Okay. If it moves one direction, it is considered as I steps. Sorry, if it moves, it's considered as I steps. So, okay. Since the array is a circular, going past the last index brings us the back to the front while going before the starting zero. So start plus I gives the moving start I minus I plus one equals to zeros. Minus I. So now I can write the code clearly. So after that, if wait. I get something T. Okay. WOD equals to PAR GUD target. Mode equals to target. So distance equals to absolute and bracket on. I is considered as number of elements, no? So number of, oh no, they did not mention as I, they only mention an N. So I minus start index. Let's do one thing. T minus STA to start IN STARTINX start index. So after that, we have to use the minimum function. So it equals to minimum ANS gamma distance gamma and n minus TIS to A and C. Actually, they give in the solution in step by step. I write all this in one line. So after that, what it will do? It should do return to minus 1. So if, let's use if else statement, if answer equals to float infinite, FLOAT float INN. If it is matches, okay. Or else answer. Let's see. Syntax error. So else spelling wrong one. Then what is return minus 1 if answer equals to flow. Let's do one thing. So RA into R in return minus 1. If A and S equals to epsilon of A B float I and F infinite. Else answer. Should I write a print answer? If I did not mention, maybe it will not get there. Yeah, name error. Wait, what? Capital I, let's go try. SDIS. Answer is here. Previously, I mentioned that we have to use research rating. If answer equals to F rho AT, let's not give any gap, infinite. Else answer. Yes, let's go, baby. Let's go. Easy to peasy. 13 minutes. Anyways. But I did not get. Okay, anyways. So, wait. Give me 1 second. I will write this code in. Oh, look, today's problem I got so much of it. So, first class solution. So, we define the CL or CST closest target self words in a list as a string, and the target is mentioned as a string. Actually, I just got a mail about lead for I got. Yeah, I know it's it. Let's go, baby. Okay. Yes, lovely. Great. Give me a second. So start it first. Because in the previously we mentioned the index as captain, but I forgot to write here captain. So that's why I got it. So after that we mentioned that L is equals to length of the words. So answer is equals to float of infinite. So we uses for loop in word as an endurement en en and RAT endurement in words. So if word equals to target, if it is matches, okay. And it should also pass this thing, distance and absolute minimum. So absolute I minus start index and answer equals to minimum answer minus district and minus distance. Sorry, distance. I'm telling this break. So after that, it should returns to -1, and it should also pass the answer should be equals to the float infinite value But cell equals to flow infinite. And your mind is a real Python function that lets loop over a list and get both the indexes value at the same time. Okay. Both the indexes values at the same time. So okay, let's wait. Okay. See. So actually, I maintained the streak only 40 days, nearly 39 days. But how I got this 50 days batch, I don't. I think so. From this thing onwards, year 50 has happened. Hmm. So I decided to start consistently in January 1st, but after 7 days I lost one problem. After that I got tired and I did not do anything. In February I did not touch also this lead for this contest I submitted. So after that I got so okay, let's try to do some problems daily and I know that it's thing. So like what we will do means I will start with ChatGPT. 1 second, I will black the screen. So where is ChatGPT? Let's learn about the bubble sort and the sort. I know the how it works, but or let's use Gemini. No, Gemini no. Is ChatGPT or why it is asking a subscription? Something is urgently at play. I think bad. So first I have to log into my ERP section. So yeah, is my screen is black. Yes, I have to download the syllabus. So that's why HTTP. We have so much of time. We solve the problem before in time. So where is courses, handouts, even some more. Uh, yeah, okay. First we will do data success. First we will complete. So what is CO1? Understanding the various algorithms, efficiency algorithms. Okay. Okay, CO1, CO2, CO3. Actually, I have a course handout in my WhatsApp. One sec. My friend get it. As a me. So Python also is kind of easy. Not difficult as it. Give me 5 seconds, guys. I will unblock the screen. So, and I forgot to mention thanks for the 100 subscribers. Actually, this channel was quite about gaming, but I have a channel since 2020 like that. So that I uploaded so many videos in this thing. So I gained overall 80 subscribers. So after that, I stopped YouTube. That's it. Only one guy is watching. Proof fan. Oh, Harit Gamer. Thank you, bro. Good evening, bro. Actually, I did not have any secondary screen, so that's why. So, wait, I will okay, what's the agenda? So, 630. His number starts from 630. I know that one. Yeah, data structures and Python. So, downloaded and first we will do. So, okay. CO3 understanding the various algorithms. Let's copy this entire thing. Hey, why copying not happening? Understanding various algorithms. CO1 and CO2. Let's copy this thing and paste it. You not you see Python. Good evening, today. So after that, okay, first mathematically background model calculation bubble sort. After that, insertion sort, shell sort, quick sort, and merge sort. Okay, these are CO1. And what is CO2 means? Introduction of dynamic and list based on stack in implementation. Okay, linear data center CO2. LIF. Yes, for many I don't know. Yeah, ChatGPT is quite laggy here, or it's my laptop problem. So first sorting, first bubble. Wait, what? Yeah, previously I did not learn this much of code. So okay, it is correct platform. C in Python, very short and summary, very sweet and hot. C code void. Okay, cell short with this, insertion short. After that merge short. Oh, maybe I will sort merge. Skip merge start. I'll write in Python. Okay, quick sort also. So after that linear. LIF means left in first out. First in first out. Last in first out. Yes, LIF means last in first out. Linked list. Single linked list, double linked list. That one. So okay. From starting onwards, let's do it. So you also, you guys also prepare for your exam. Let's increase the brightness. So first bubble sort. Leave. So quantity bubble sort. First we use predefined function. Hash include studio dot h. After that, we use void function to not to return the values to zero. Void means like that. Bubble sort. And we int insert function as array and int as n. So we use for loop int I is equals to 0, I is greater than n minus 1, and increment. It is pre-increment, okay? I plus plus is considered as pre-increment. If it is on left side, it is considered as post-increment. Am I right? One second. I plus plus is post or pre increment. Let's ask this thing. So yeah, post increment. So if it is on right side, it is considered as post. If it is on left side, it's considered as like pre. So after that, we assign the loop for I. After that, we assign the loop for int j is equals to 0, j is greater than n minus 1, and j plus plus as post increment. So after that, we use if statement if array j is greater than array j plus 1. Okay, and close it. Start a curly bracket. It will create a temporary folder, temporary file, or temporary element in m equals to 0. The temporary thing and array j is considered as e. So after that, that array j is equals to array j plus 1. So after again in next statement, array j plus 1 equals to 10. Let's close all these brackets. You should not follow any kind of indentations in this bubble. So in C programming and C++, it is quite easy. Maybe this end of the year, I will learn three languages. One is C, I'm good. Python, intermediate, and C++, not bad. Okay. So I will learn C++ and Python very well. So after that, int main, int array. In array, we can write it your favorite numbers as input and output. We should write in ascending to descending order. If we need descending to ascending order, just reverse the code like n plus n minus 1 is considered as n plus like that. So, so 5 comma 3 comma 8 comma 4 comma 2. And first we consider as element 5. So we assign bubble sort as an array n and use as a for loop for int I is equals to 0, I is greater than n, and I plus plus. After that, we have to print the statement in a new line or in a one single, we consider as not single line because it is an ascending order to descending order. Now, if we write in a thing, we will get a 1 second. Just give me 5 minutes break. Okay, I'm back. So bubble sort is okay. We can also call as bucket sort also. For an example, we can use bucket in a fish like that. Water, but there is no cap. It falls on my laptop and water durability test is completed. I got an idea. Can I share this listening stream to my Python map? Just by message pop-up. Again. Okay, let's dive into selection shop. It is a select minimum elements and a place at correct position. One second, I have to connect Wi-Fi to my mobile, not getting any interference. Let's increase the volume. So, okay, let's do high promo. So, next our target is 200 subscribers. So I just got recommendation of Munna by Gaming. Yeah, okay. Uh, left side is my channel and right side is his channel. He's so close to 4 million subscribers. Yeah. Oh my God. So much of hard work. Why my actually I posted the link in the comment section, but it is coming in text form. So okay, anyways, so let's do selection shot. Before thinking, we have to open CodeChef, and I did not show my code for this exam. No? I'm not just not flexing anything, just or every time I should log into this thing. Yeah, brightness is too high. My eyes are blinking, shining like this. Yeah, this is my. I will only solve the top questions, and my target is to beat this guy. Wow, see so much of consistency in his graph. Okay, I'm currently in 636 rank. Huh? It almost make, but 13th I wrote exam. Sorry for the background disturbance. I'm in my room. Actually, I'm ending this one, and this. Actually, I also have an idea to write Geeks for Geeks also, but his time is not available for me, so that's why I'm not. So, anyways, where is CodeChef? Wait, still 30 minutes. We can learn all sorting techniques before 30 minutes of the target. Come on, let's go. We can do it. So, selection sort. Okay, first we have to use void function, same as previous one. Sorry for the background. In voice hostel, it is quite common doing such things and irritating the water. So, selection sort. First, we have to use void function. We should not use any predefined function like hash including studio.h or math.h or stimuli.h like that. So, void selection, because it is considered as selection sort, we have to use selection sort. And first, we have to insert the array. It is compulsory to everything. And we can use any element for this thing. We use n. In mathematics, we use x. Like that. So after that, we assign the for loop. 1 second, I will mute the mic for you. Oh, no worry. The, actually, I installed a software of RTX Remix, but it is quite eating my entire VRAM of my GPU, and it is overheating. But it is not quite problem. But if I did not carry my charger to classroom, it is quite. problem. So the fans are spinning like crazy. Fans are spinning like crazy, and all the people are looking at me like quite horrible. So that's why I delete uninstall the software. So that's the reason. If it is there, I can also optimization my voice and clarity also. Okay. So first we use int function. Sorry, we use for loop same as previous one, but quite quite different. Very. So I is equals to 0, I is greater than n minus 1, and I plus plus as a pre-increment. Sorry, post increment. So after that, we use int as a minimum function as a I. So after that, again we use for loop for j. Int j is equals to 0, j is greater than n, and j plus plus. We should not use any n minus 1 element. So that's why. So after that, we use if statement if array is greater than array minimum element. The minimum element and maximum element will be in input and output. Minimum is equals to j and bracket close. After that, we have to create a temporary file. Int temporary file is equals to array I, and array I equals to array minimum, and array minimum equals to 10. It is kind of loop. Like 1 is equals to 2, 2 is equals to 1, and last 1 is equals to 2. Like that. And minimum equals to 10. I'm not good at explaining, so my bad. So let's write the code again. I will write without noticing anything. First, we use a void function, selection sort, inserting an array. As an element, we can use any element. We will use n and open a curly bracket, uses a for loop, int I is equals to 0, I is greater than n minus 1. We use post increment. After that, inserting the minimum function I and close. We use as for loop, int j is equals to 0. We should not use n minus 1 for the j function, j comma n and j plus plus and curly bracket open. So after that, both I and j, we use if statement if array j, array j equals greater than, sorry, array j is greater than array minimum function, array minimum function and bracket close, and the minimum function should be equals to 0 on j, not 0, and curly bracket close. After that, we have to use a loop function. We should not use any while loop and while loop for this thing. So just only two lines, no? So that's why. So int temp is equals to array I, and array I equals to array minimum, and array minimum equals to temporary. 1 equals to 2, 2 equals to 1, and last 1 equals to 2. So like that, and closes two curly brackets. So selection sort is completed. It is kind of selecting the minimum elements and place correct position. Only minimum elements. Give me 5 seconds. I am getting an important call. So I actually had a conversation with my friend about his personal things, and he asking help me to do. So I said no, he said yes. I said no, he said yes. Like that, the conversation has ended, and I forcefully cut the call and sorry, hang up the call. So okay, after that insertion short. Okay. Yes, just we edited our ranking. This to 4.5K. The global ranking highest, I think so, was in that potato bite. Oh my god. Look at this rank. Holy shit, man. Oh, previously written, but the rank is did not got updated. Oh my god. Consistency pays off. One day we will also go. Maybe it directly go into nearly. Oh my God, near 372 plus. Oh my God. After that, he got plussed up to 650. After that, he got plussed. Oh, like that, he got consistency like that. Okay, anyways, there is no Indian guy. Ah, not China. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just some conversations. Guys, see guys, how many questions are there? Okay. But we are trying to use AI and type of stuff to get to that much of RAM. We have to keep our blood and not donate our blood. We have to keep 100% effort. Not like this. Efforts. Effort for this. Correctly adjust to not to visible the code. Tan 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 tan. Starters to 34. I got little update in my laptop. Many changes are got. My certificates did not have one certificate also. Oops, new certificates. Yeah, we have some limits. Let's learn this insertion works. So wide insertion, short, int, array, and again it has n. So after that we use int I is equals to 1, I is greater than n, I plus plus. We have to use a key function as an array I. In two members are watching. Thank you so much, guys. till 6 months. So, after this last trip, I have plenty of work to write. Maybe I have to wake up again at 4 at morning. Hmm. While j is greater than or equals to 0, increment. Ampersand again, so that's the array j is greater than k, and array j plus 1 equals to array j, and array j minus 1 means post increment. Sorry, post decrement. Anyways, let's jump dive into this problems. 4 minutes. Mr. Dale Structure Albert. I should decrease my brightness. My eyes are bright as wait. I will grab my smart specs. Till 2 minutes. Let's off another night light and energy saving. 1 second, I have to check the temperature of laptop. Yeah, today now it is quite 30, 30, 46 degrees. Okay. Yesterday I think so. After that, malware shipping. Ah, I got COPE. Actually, beside I have my friend's laptop. He said we should write the code exams. Right, I have to call him. No, password is there. Mentioned his name at the rate of 123. Do not use this password, guys. Start shipping. I can't share my code. Six, five, four, three, two, one. There you go. There you go. So let's on this thing. On negative sum. Why this antivirus is popping up? System error. What? Again, that saved message is popped up like yesterday morning. Please sign into your Microsoft account for verification. Something is suspicious. So, this is denied. I got a OTP, but still it was telling sorry, not will. Do one thing. I will not show the entire screen. Maybe I'm looking. So the now maybe to given an array A1, A2, A3, A4. Okay. Second guys. So to solve this question, first we have to use for loop. First we have to input the value. After that, assign n is equals to as input, a is equals to input, and we have to split the function. After that, wait, I will show my screen, right? I will not write the code now. Ah, so after that, we use as a for loop. If array sum equals number greater than zero, it's quite an algorithm problem. Now I will write the code. Writing the code, we have to assign it as an input and output. Maybe we both questions will not match, I think so. Uh, I actually off the mic also. I'm sorry. I'll submit all those questions in at one time. So still I completed at now one, only one. I have to write uh, my friends no answer. Prakash, should I download the code? You, why the time is delayed? My God, I'm getting so many indentation errors. There is a trick call we should not submit. If the code is correct, just run it and leave it. After completing how many codes you can write all those codes and submit all them at the same time. So you will get not get any errors. Your rank will be also safe. ChatGPT said. Let's see. Yes. Oh, it's correct. Let's refresh the page. Oh, I have to write me transport also. But both codes should be not matched, so I'm feeling the entire. Oh, what is this, bro? Your laptop sucks, bro. What is this, bro? Even copy paste is also not happening. Control Shift S. I don't know. Let's write the code now in C++. What's the code tell? Online group completed. So now we'll go to binary constructions. See, in CodeChef, I got an idea. I got a doubt. Why they did not add a C plus C sharp? Oh my God. Look at the syntaxes. Holy shit. Exam is quite tough. Actually, guys, the exam is quite hard, really quite hard. See, I will share my screen. I did not even solve one problem also. All those just I opened up. So I will not write this exam today. So, anyways, thanks for watching the stream until now. So, okay. Anyways,